Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a website using BlueHost. That is a WordPress site using BlueHost. So watch this video step by step. Don't skip any part of this video, and I will teach you how you can easily build a WordPress site using BlueHost. Before we get started into the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Like this video and also leave your comments below. Now let's get started into today's video. BlueHost is the best web hosting platform for WordPress. It's also the best hosting platform for beginners. So if you are a WordPress user, if you're a beginner, then you are watching the right video. Now, the link to BlueHost is below this video. Click on that link. It will bring you to this web page. Once it brings you to this web page, click on Get Started. Before you build a site, the most important thing is a hosting. That is why we need BlueHost. So the first step is to get our hosting. And once we have a host, we will install WordPress, then set up our site on our hosting. So first step is to get BlueHosting. Click on the link below this video. On this page, click on Get Started right here. So BlueHost has different packages. They have the 12 months, the 24 months, and also the 36 months. That is 3 years subscription that you can do. They have the basic, they have the plus, they have the choice plus, and they have the pro. You can select any of these. You can go for the basic, the plus, the choice plus, or the pro. But I would say to get all features here, either go for the plus or the choice plus. Go for one of these, because the basic is restricting you to one website and you don't know when you might want to create a second website. Even though you can upgrade your package whenever you want, it's best you go for the plus package or the choice plus package so that you get every feature inside for you. So in this example, we are going for the plus here. Now you get some features such as unlimited websites or domains. Your site is being hosted on an SSD storage, giving you fast loading times. It also comes with WordPress builder, and BlueHost also have their own drag and drop web builder, but we'll be using the WordPress one. So just hit the select here. You can use your own domain name or create a new one. So if you already have a domain name in mind, buying a WordPress package from BlueHost, that is a hosting package from BlueHost, comes with free domain. If you already have a domain name, click enter it here and click next. I already have one. I also have a BlueHosting account, so I don't need to go through all these steps. But for you, let's say you are going for something new, so I'll just go for something like lean.com name. This, I don't think this domain is available. I'm just playing with these words to find out. Okay, so our domain name is available. Now go through these steps. Enter your first name, your last name, your business name, which is optional. Select your country, enter your billing address, everything here. This select the package. So the package we selected was a plus account, and it has selected a duration of 36 months. That is 3 years. But then you can go for 1 year, that is 12 months, or 24 months, which is 2 years. Our primary domain registration is free, as you can see, and we are also getting free SSL, which will help our site to also be secured. We are also getting it free from BlueHost. So just select any package you want right from here. You can leave these ticked or unticked. It all depends on you. So at the end of the day, this is the total amount we are paying for our plus package 24. That is 2 years account right here, and we are getting some of these things. So you can also uncheck this if you want to reduce the price. You can also uncheck them to reduce the price, but you're also getting a 46% off discount when you click the link below this video. Enter your credit card details here to make your payment. But if you are using a PayPal account, you can click on more payment options right here, and you can decide to pay with your PayPal account. Once you've made payment and everything goes through successfully, you'll receive an email from BlueHost. You'll get the link to your BlueHost account and your login details. So that is step 1, and that is how to buy or purchase a BlueHost account for your WordPress site we are about to create. The step 2 is to install WordPress on our new domain. And then step 3 would be how to build or set up the WordPress site. So in step 2, when you log into your BlueHost account, it will bring you to this page, as you can see from here. This is how it looks like. And on this channel, this is the domain name we've been using for all our tutorials. That's wptutsguide.com. Now let's open this domain name. As you can see, this is my primary domain, but I've added other domain names onto my account. That is why I advised it is good you have the plus or the choice plus instead of the basic, so that you can have more sites or more domains hosted on your BlueHost package. But if you entered a domain name, a new domain name, this will be your primary domain name. And since we are going to install a new website, I want you to see that this domain name is what we have been using for all the tutorials on this channel. I use it for every tutorial on this channel. It was built purposely for that. I want you to know that this site is not live. So let me just go to this web page and find out. As you can see, it's not live. It didn't load. It has an empty page. So we are going to build a new website on this our domain name. So let's take it that this is your domain name. This is yours. So if you want to install a domain, WordPress on this primary domain, just come to my site here. Just click on my site right here and click on create site. We are going to use WordPress. So we are not going to use the BlueHost web website builder. So let's just select WordPress, click get started here, give it a name. The name of our website is WP Tuts Guide. Just name it WordPress Tutorials for Beginners. You can go for the advanced if you want. That is by entering your own email address and all that. So I'll do that. But as a beginner, you can also leave it. I hope we are on the same page. As a beginner, you can just leave it or go to the advanced and set it up yourself. So in this demo, I'm going to select my Yahoo email address here, and for my admin username, I'll go for this. And for password, don't use something you can always remember. So I have a password generator installed, extension installed on my Chrome browser. Let me just use it to generate a password, and let's paste it here. So once everything is done correctly, let's just hit next here. You can save the password if you want. Leave here blank. Don't have anything here. We are installing it on our main domain. As you can see, BlueHost is giving us these free plugins. I don't need them for this demo, so I'll untick them and just click on next. And let's wait for some few minutes as BlueHost is installing WordPress for us. Within some few minutes, our installation of WordPress will be done. Then the next step is installing or setting up the real website. This is the second step, that is how to install WordPress on our domain name on BlueHost. Our installation has finished successfully, and our URL, we can see a new WordPress site coming soon, a BlueHost powered website and everything here. So let's click on admin login to log into our new account so that we can set the site up. So I'll click on admin login right here. We selected the username of WP Tuts here, and I'll just paste the password we generated. Click on remember me, and I'll click on login. And we are inside our WordPress site. We have successfully bought a BlueHosting account. We have successfully installed WordPress on our BlueHost dashboard. Now the third step is to set up WordPress properly on this site. But first of all, let me disable the coming soon that we have here. We don't need it. Let me just disable it for now. So let's check Bluehost settings and disable the coming soon right here. So now our site is off. We are now ready to build our website. So let's go into the third step. In our third step, we are going to set up our WordPress site and build a very complete website. Let me go back into our BlueHost dashboard, and as you can see, we have the name of our WordPress site here. Let's open it in a new tab and check our site. Okay, so now to know the settings or to know where your site is on BlueHost, just click on my site here. We have WP Tools Guide right here, and let's click on Manage Site. With Manage Site, we have the overview here, the themes, the plugins, the user, and everything. We have the Marketing Center here. If you create a new BlueHost account. It comes with some Google credits here, 150 credits from Google. Click on get details to get your coupon. We have the users installed on the WordPress site. We have it here. BlueHost also comes with automated backups through Jetpack. You can also use it here. You can also check the performance of your site and everything. We have Cloudflare Basic, which is currently active so that our site can load very fast. We also have security. SSL certificate is on, which is great for us. We need it to make sure that our site has HTTPS displayed here. This icon right here, the padlock icon. And here are the plugins currently installed on the site. So we can also disable some plugins right from here if we want. We can also update all our plugins from our BlueHost dashboard right here. And we can also come into the settings from here. So guys, this is BlueHost for you. If you're a beginner, this is the best way. As you can see, the UI and everything is very simple for beginners. And if we want to delete the site, we can just click here. If we are not ready to go live, we can turn on the coming soon here. But I've turned it off because we are about to build our WordPress site. I hope so far you've enjoyed the first two steps. Now let's get into the third step. This is our site right here. By default, after installing WordPress on BlueHost, this is what we got. But this is not the site that we are looking for. I don't know what you might be building, but I'm looking at doing a basic WordPress site with a magazine theme. So the best thing I recommend is newspaper. The best theme I recommend is newspaper. So let's get newspaper for ourselves and begin the setup. So in this first step, we are going to use newspaper theme to install our WordPress site or to build our WordPress site. Click on the link below this video and it will bring you here. So I have newspaper link below this video. Just click on it. It will bring you to this page. And as you can see, I have bought it. I have newspaper theme bought right from here. So let me just click on download here. I've already downloaded this, so I'm not going to go through that step again. Let me show you the folder. I have the folder here and I have newspaper theme. I have downloaded and unzip it. So you have to unzip the zip file, open it, and this is the theme you have to install. This is the theme you have to install. So let's go back to our dashboard right here. Then you go to appearance. If you don't know how to install WordPress themes, I have a video on that. You can check it out. Go to appearance and click on themes here. Then you click on upload right here. We are going to upload a new theme. So I have my file here. Let me just drag and drop right here and click on install. I'm going to pause this video. Once the installation is completed, we will resume. So click on install. Our theme has finished installing successfully. So I'll click on activate theme here. This is the recommended theme. If you want to start WordPress blogging, this is the best theme I recommend. It supports magazine. It also supports WooCommerce. So you can use it to sell stuff online, and you can use it to build basically any type of WordPress site you want online. So to get started, let's just install and activate these recommended plugins right here. So click on install or activate plugins. Let's wait for them to finish. Process is ongoing, so we'll wait for it to finish. And our theme has finished successfully. So it's asking for activation. So let's click on activate now right here. And we have to enter our Envato purchase code here. I have it open right here. So let me just copy it. Let me paste the code here and click on activate. Theme successfully activated. Thanks for buying our product. So theme activation is successful. I'll click on OK right here. I like newspaper because it comes with pre-built sites here for you to get started quickly. As a beginner, this is to help you get started quickly. So just click on pre-built websites here. And we have many pre-built sites here. You can install one based on your niche or the category or the type of site you want to build. I'm going to just select any of them. And also drawing important, you can decide to go with the content or just the settings. So let's see. I think I like this classic. This one is Live News Pro. So let's preview how our site will look like after we finish installing. So we are going to install the Live News demo here. We will add all the content for us to really appreciate what we are doing. But then you can exclude content from here so that you can install only the design, the settings that come with this design. You just install that alone. But we want to have a fully built WordPress site. So let's enable include content. You can select any of these demos or these pre-built websites. So I'll just click on install and wait for the installation to finish. Our demo has finished installing successfully. We have demo installed. This is a demo. Now let's go and check how our site is looking now. This WP tools guide, and as you can see, we have 100% look or design of the demo. This is why I love newspaper so much. It comes with great designs, great content, great features. I'll take my time and do a thorough review on newspaper, but we use it in this demo on how to build a WordPress site on BlueHost. So guys, as you can see, we have come to the end of this video successfully. We started with step 1 on how to get a BlueHost account. We went through all the steps. We came to our BlueHost portal to install WordPress. And after finished installing WordPress, we came into our WordPress dashboard. We installed our theme. The recommended theme is newspaper, but then you are at liberty to install any other theme you want. And we've installed a demo We have our site live right here. So within some few minutes, as you can see, I was talking through whilst doing this tutorial, but it took us less than 30 minutes. So imagine me doing this without talking, without this tutorial. I could have built this site in less than 15 minutes, and you have a functionable WordPress site that you can show with your friends and be proud of. If you want me to do a full tutorial video on how to create your own logos for free, how to do all these categories, we've done other tutorial videos. Check them out on how to create these menu icons, mega menu, everything. Stick to this channel. Everything you need regarding WordPress, I will teach you everything here. So just stick to this channel, subscribe, like the video, comment all your questions, and I'll do well to answer your questions in a video format and show you how you can do all these things. So guys, I thank you for being with me to the end. This is a video on how to install WordPress website on a BlueHost, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. So until I come your way with another WordPress tutorial for beginners, it's bye bye from us, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.